Hello everybody. I just want to give you a heads up on a couple things you're going to want to do and one thing you're going to need to do when you start working on the Season Simulator Lab. First off, check out the directions at the top. It says to open in desktop app to avoid formatting issues. You're going to want to do that. It's going to help keep all the formatting in this Word file nice and neat and coherent. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go up here and click on Open in Desktop App. Then it's going to ask you if you want to open it in Word. You're going to click Open Word, and there you go. Boom. Alright, now we're in an actual Word file. After you read the guiding question, the learning target, and the background information, and you're ready to open the simulator and use it, you're going to press the Control key and click on this link right here. And it's going to open up a tab for you for the simulator. The simulator needs Adobe Flash Player in order to run. You have it on your computer, but you just have to allow it to run. So you're going to go up here where it says, where you see this little eye in the circle, or you may see a small padlock right there. Whichever one you see, you're going to click on it. And then if you see Flash right here, you're going to click on this drop-down menu, and boom, click Allow, and you'll be able to run the simulator. You may not see Flash right here. If you don't see it, you're going to click on Site Settings right there, and then you're going to scroll down to where you do see Flash right here. Click on that drop-down menu, boom, allow it. Then you can close that tab, and it's going to ask you to reload this page that the simulator's on. So you click Reload, and boom, look at that. You're ready to go. Go back to your lab and have fun with it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.